Work is good for clients the way work is good for me, and my guess is it's good for you. It's good for a lot of people because it serves so many purposes. It helps to pay the bills, but it also gives me an opportunity to use some of my skills, and it gives me an opportunity to have a place in the community, and it feel good about myself and to help others.
People with mental illness are just like all the rest of us. They want something important and meaningful to do with their lives. And we see lots of people with mental illness for whom work is an essential part of their recovery, rebuilding their lives, rebuilding their sense of self-esteem, rebuilding their connection to the community, rebuilding their sense of being a citizen and contributing.
The main difference between how we used to do it and how IPS is that now we don't take lots of time for pre-vocational training and work assessments. We start with who the person is, what they want to do, coupled with what their skills are and their experiences are, and try to link that to a job, a regular job in our community that they can do.
There are now about 18 randomized controlled trials showing that IPS is more effective than other approaches to vocational rehabilitation. So that's probably the strongest evidence for any psychosocial intervention that we have. We have spent too much time in the history of psychiatry focusing on people's deficits, what's wrong with them, their symptoms, their inabilities to do things, and that has unintended negative consequences of leading people to mistrust themselves and to be pessimistic about their futures. You know, I was taught 40 years ago that we should protect people with serious mental illness because the stress of going to work might cause them to decompensate and have to go back into the hospital. And we believed that for years. It turns out to be completely wrong. Now that there are lots and lots of studies of supported employment, there's never been a single study that shows that people have a higher rate of decompensating or going back to the hospital or being suicidal or any other negative outcome related to trying to work.